The smoke in the air.
You can see all the smoke that's blowing this way.
Yeah. I'm surprised you do it a lot in this little area.
Hmm?
I'm surprised you do it a lot in this little area.
I know, right?
Guess they do it everywhere.
Got some more here on this side.
Whoa, look at that. You're doing a lot back here.
I have to flip the camera, just kept the ones behind us. And then you got these ones right here in the front.
Okay, let's see over here. Whoa! Oh my goodness! I want more of those ones. Those are awesome.
More of those. Yeah. They sell those all around the corner.
Yes, I know. Like the past month, well, maybe not the past month, but maybe they're like the past couple weeks. I always see those firework things that they sell. Yeah, yeah, I see a lot in town. You can hear them in the distance.
Those are the further away ones.
Wow! Oh my goodness, I saw that coming. I'm like, it's gonna be loud. It's gonna be a loud one because you can see them going in the air. Whoa, what was that?
What?
I have no clue what that was, but a bunch of boxes flew at us. What are those? That's kind of scary.
I don't know, must have been rocks that came down from those.
I know, because that was scary.
Was a huge one.
That was scary.
Somebody's definitely having fun over there.
Oh, yes. It's awesome.
I guess none in the back yet. Let's see if they do in the back yet. Nope. Guess not. Over there. That's gonna be a big one.
Yes!
Yeah.
Whoa! That's awesome!
To tell you the truth, they've actually did better fireworks this 4th of July than they did New Year's.
Oh,
There's
yes.
like a few of them.
Yeah, I remember. It was like...
They only did like a few.
Yeah.